Hi, friends. Do you know what day it is? It's one of my favorite holidays in the whole world. It's Halloween. Oh, Bubbles just helped Brayden find the perfect costume. Now they're ready to walk to the party. Let's walk along with them. It's going to be spooktacular.
Well, howdy there, partner. Let's get a move on and get to the party.
Aye, aye, matey. On we go.
Oh.
Happy Halloween, Flexi. See you at the party.
Flexi, your butterfly costume is awesome. See you at the party.
This is so exciting. The costumes, the pumpkins, the silly ghosts, and seeing all our friends. I just love Halloween.
Oh, I love Halloween too.
Brayden. Oh, what was that?
Oh, I don't know.
There it is again.
I heard it too. What could it be?
Hi, friends. Do you know what that sound is? You are correct. It's the wind. Let's tell Bubbles and Brayden so they aren't scared anymore.
It's the wind! It's the wind!
Wait a second. I know what it is. It's the wind. Wind isn't scary. It's just the sound of air moving through the trees.
You're right. Look, the wind is making the leaves fall from the branches. Bubbles, the wind isn't scary at all. This is so great. Listening for sounds on our Halloween walk makes it so much fun.
Brayden, that's a great idea. Let's pretend we're on a spooky walk and we can play What's That Sound? But we have to be extra careful and listen for all the sounds.
Oh, wait, what's that sound? Can you hear that crunch when we walk?
Oh my gosh, that's the sound of the leaves. There are so many leaves on the ground. Look at their beautiful colors. That's a sure sign it's autumn when the trees shed all their leaves before winter. Let's keep walking and listen for more sounds.
Hi. Want to help Bubbles and Brayden play What's That Sound? Are you ready? Let's follow along and listen very carefully.
Wow, I hear something. What's that sound?
Oh my goodness, I heard it too. Let's figure it out. Could it be an animal? It made a really squeaky sound, but it's nighttime, so it's probably not a bird. It's not a cat or a dog. What could it be?
Let's listen really carefully.
Okay, friends, did you guess the spooky sound? Did you see the friendly little bat up in the sky? Let's tell Bubbles and Brayden where to look. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Look up! Look up!
Bubbles, look up!
There it is! There it is in the sky!
Bubbles, we saw a bat on Halloween. How lucky is that? Bye, little bat!
This is such a fun game, Brayden. Wonder what else we will hear. What could that be? Oh no, this might be a really spooky walk if there's a scary bear.
Don't worry, Bubbles. There's no scary bear. Let's listen carefully, and I bet we could figure it out.
Friends, do you know what sound that is? Yes, it's a frog. Oh my, it's right behind them. Let's tell Bubbles and Brayden to turn around.
Turn around! Turn around!
Oh, There's a frog behind us. I got scared for a second.
Don't worry, Brayden. I think it's saying hello. Hi, little frog. What a cool voice you have.
Happy Halloween to you too, little frog. Bye. Thanks for helping to make our spooky walk extra fun.
We are almost at the party, Brayden. I wonder what other sounds we'll hear before our spooky walk ends. This is so much fun.
I know. What's That Sound is always a fun game, but on Halloween night, it's spooktacular.
What's that sound? It sounds like it's talking to us.
It sounds like it's asking us a question. What could it be? It doesn't sound like a person. What kind of an animal asks a question?
Friends, do you know what animal makes a "hoo" sound? Right, an owl. There's one in the tree. Ready, everyone? Let's tell Brayden and Bubbles. 1, 2, 3. It's an owl!
It's an owl! Oh, it's an owl!
Woo-hoo! To you too, little owl. We're Bubbles and Brayden.
Hope you're having a happy Halloween, little owl.
Yay! We're almost at the party. This was such a fun, spooky walk. We heard lots of fun and not so spooky sounds. We heard the wind, a bat, the leaves crunching, and an owl. But am I missing something? Was it a dog? No. What was that other sound?
Let's help Bubbles and Brayden remember all the sounds they heard on their spooky walk to the party. We heard the wind creak, a bat squeak, the leaves crunch, an owl hoot. Did we hear a dog bark? No! A frog croak.
We heard the wind creak, a bat squeak, the leaves crunch, an owl hoot, and I got it! We heard a frog croak!
Brayden, do you know what creaks, squeaks, crunches, hoots, and croaks?
No, Bubbles. What's that?
A super duper spooktacular Halloween game of What's That Sound?
That was so much fun! I hear something else super spooktacular. The party!
It is the party! Hooray! Thank you so much for helping us figure out the sounds on our spooky walk today. You guys are terrific listeners.
Have a very happy Halloween. See you on our next adventure.